Sawa ka na rin bang mangupahan at matagal-tagal ka na rin naghahanap ng house and lot property na walang down payment at malilipatan mo agad-agad? Not only that, one bus ride lang to going to Manila kaya very accessible din at malapit sa highway. At higit sa lahat, for as low as 5,000 pesos lang na cash out, magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong bahay this year. So paano? Tara, silipin natin. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito from your home search body team. And yes, tama yung narinig mo, wala tong down payment, RFO na, kaya malilipatan mo rin agad-agad at may available pa tayong corner lot at end lot unit for this project. Bakit ka nga naman magre-renta kung pwede ka naman magkaroon ng sariling bahay sa murang halaga katulad nito? This unit has a minimum lot area of 36 square meters at may floor area ka na 42 square meters at syempre pwede mo itong i-expand upon turnover ng unit. And what we are showing you right now is a dress-up unit at kayang-kaya mong i-achieve to upon turnover ng property mo kasi ang actual turnover natin is basic finish. For this unit, may provision ka na nga for 2